This was the moment it hit me. It's finally happening. After weeks of research, dreaming, and saving, this machine, my first motorcycle, was waiting for me. Paperwork done, no turning back now. I set up my GoPro probably too nervously, kept checking the angles, the mirrors. Honestly, I was buzzing. And then he gave me the key. No big reveal, no spotlight, just a small handoff, but a huge moment for me. A handshake, a good luck, that's all it took to start something new. Gloves on, brain racing, heart steady. Eyes up, revs up, clutch to friction point. I took a breath, whispered a small prayer, and rolled out. This was it. My first real ride. I wasn't just test riding anymore. This was mine. I didn't have my full license just yet, so I had someone supervise me from a distance. But this was still my ride.
Overwhelming as well.
The city felt different that day. Every turn, every stoplight, every glance in the mirror. I was learning, I was alert, and I was happy. Not perfect, not fast, but honest. Every kilometer from here is going to teach me something new. It's freedom. Had to check if I was recording all of this. Can't afford to miss a second. I didn't want to go home yet, but I had to park. First ride was already turning into a memory. I got down, turned back, looked at her, still couldn't believe it. This love, you ask me? That was pure joy. Welcome to Life of Gnash.